Hi, welcome to another new video. I hope you guys doing really well, and in this video I'm going to talk about how to download Windows 11 ISO file. So in this tutorial I will give you full guide about this. So without any further ado, let's dive into the main topic. As you can see, we already searched a string, and the string is Windows 11 ISO file download. So you need to be search it in your Google. Once you search it, you will get this kind of option where you will have access for download Windows 11, and if you read the description, then you will get the know more about the option. That is, the option is for users that want to create a bootable installation media, USB flash drive, DVD, or create a virtual machine. It means ISO file. Let's click over here. Once you click over here, now you can see here we have various options. So here you need to be find out your ISO. So here you can see Windows 11 ISO for AM4. Then you can see we have option for link. Just click over here and now select this Windows 11. Now you are allowed to download this ISO. So the process is really simple and easy. I hope if you follow this guideline, then you are able to download Windows 11 ISO file. If you think this video was knowledgeable for you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day.